Welcome back to the inner sanctum of Fort Nelson, and many of these brass and heavy metal barrels used for war have been magnificently restored and maintained here. The savagery of ancient weapons cannot be understated. I mean, even look at the reptilian appearance of these ones. You would think that the appearance of these things would be enough to deter incitement to further war and destruction. As I listen to the cheerful chirps of youngsters around me, they seem oblivious to the serious effect that these weapons and people had on their lives and the lives of their own families before and until now. As I look at the poppies around me and the shadows of the dead around me, I wonder about the words, "Lest we forget," does not mean try not to remember, but rather to learn from what has gone before and not repeat it.